The customer brought their vehicle in, reporting that the check engine light was on. I connected a scan tool to diagnose the issue and found the code P0106, Manifold Absolute Pressure Barometric Pressure Circuit Range /performance. This code usually indicates a problem with the Manifold Absolute Pressure MAP sensor, which plays a crucial role in monitoring engine load and ensuring proper air-fuel mixture for efficient performance. To investigate further, I performed a road test while monitoring live data from the scan tool. During the test, I observed that the MAP sensor parameter was erratic, indicating that it wasn't providing consistent readings. This confirmed that the issue was related to the MAP sensor or its circuit. Next, I visually inspected the MAP sensor's wiring harness and connector for any visible signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Everything appeared to be in good condition, so I moved on to testing the sensor itself. With the ignition on and the engine off, I used a multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the MAP sensor connector. Both were present, confirming that the sensor was receiving the correct electrical inputs. To further pinpoint the issue, I back-probed the MAP sensor connector and connected a lab scope to monitor the sensor's signal. I performed a throttle sweep, manually varying the throttle position, while observing the sensor signal on the lab scope. The signal was erratic and didn't respond smoothly to changes in throttle position, which confirmed that the MAP sensor was faulty. To fix the problem, I replaced the defective MAP sensor with a new one that met the manufacturer's specifications. After installing the new sensor, I cleared the fault codes and performed another road test. The vehicle operated properly, the MAP sensor readings were stable, the check engine light stayed off, and no new fault codes appeared. The MAP sensor is a critical component for engine performance and fuel efficiency. It provides data to the engine control module ECM to help calculate the correct air-fuel mixture and ignition timing. A faulty MAP sensor can lead to poor drivability, reduced fuel economy, and increased emissions. Replacing the defective sensor resolved these issues and restored the vehicle to optimal working condition.